Well, we're still getting wristbands out. This gentleman's going off site now, his car's inside for him to get in tomorrow. Yeah, yeah.
So today is the 1st of June 2019. Car Classic show in Tatton Park, Manchester. It's about 5 o'clock, cars have been leaving now. It's a good time to hear the exhaust noises, to be honest with you. Mr. Bean. Oh, the BMWs are coming out now, the 202s. 2002, beautiful them. Nice white Renault. TII, what's that one? That is the standard one.
That's what I meant, can they go in the park?
And there's a nice little Ferrari there, 355. That smile on the face. Looks like a proper performance car from the 30s. Jaguar. See you later. Ford GT, it's nice. So tomorrow, 2nd of June, tomorrow is gonna be the second day, and obviously the cars will be different unless someone have booked it for 2 days, paid for 2 days for a place. But I think it's gonna be quite a few different cars tomorrow. It starts, I think, about 9 o'clock, 9:30 in the morning, till about 4, 4:30. So I'll upload this video today. If you like it, come over tomorrow to Tatton Park in Manchester. Should be quite good. Quite a big venue. Quite a lot of booths over there. People selling stuff and promoting and so on and so forth. So it should be a good day tomorrow. Look at that. Chevrolet, I think. You alright, mate? Coming back tomorrow, yeah?
Eh?
Coming
No,
back tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow, no, but I'm coming back for the American Classic one
Oh,
next month.
yeah, that's gonna be nice one, innit? See you later, mate. Oh, we missed that one. Yeah, so there is gonna be the classic American one on 6th and 7th of July, so that's next month. Got a little nice Elise, yellow Elise. Look at him posing. I don't know what that was. The new cars are just pathetic looking. Absolute turds. Just nothing compares to the old ones, old classics. Proper made, quality cars, easy to work on. Yeah, there should be quite a lot more living. People are getting ready, packing up. Oh, there is a Porsche coming out, nice classic one. And there is also Passion Power, 17th and 18th of August this year. And that should be a good one. It's about £9, £7 for the Tatton Park to enter, and then £9 for this venue here. So it's £16 you need to pay. Yeah, look at that Porsche there. Looking fresh, proper fresh. Little turd. Hello. And here we've got the, I don't know what that is. Oh, he looked happy though. And we've got another Ford 3000 Capri, I think so. And we've got a Jag coming out. Karim all smoked up. Ah, chuffed, absolutely chuffed. I think he's getting a bit lost now. Classic cars, classic people. See you later, buddy. Look at that grin on his face. XJ6 Jaguar. And we've got here, not too sure what that is, but it looks pretty good. And we've got an unbeatable Volkswagen Passat 1.9 TDI. Yeah boy, give me some revs, lad. Yeah, they're slowly coming out. Video is like 10 minutes now, so it's gonna bore you to death. Oh. I'll record for a minute or two more and that's it. We'll come back tomorrow and do some proper video inside the venue. Yeah, because you're just gonna get bored to death. And yeah, I think that there are 2 exits from the venue. This one here and on the other side, apparently. So, well, we've missed tons of cars anyway. Right. Let's just look at this Jag here, because nothing's happening. have a quick look. XJ6. Car's running, no one's there. Let's see if there's any clean inside. Proper clean that. Yeah. Nice cloth interior. Automatic. Beautiful, beautiful car. Triumph GT6. Oh god. Got a Ford Focus. Ford Focus RS 300 brake, twin turbo, hybrid, electric. No, I think no one else is gonna come out now. Just having a chill, maybe leaving the car for tomorrow. Imagine jumping in that Jaguar and driving off. Woohoo! See you tomorrow, guys. See you later.
See you later.
See you later. Got some after party going on here at the main car park. Got some Ford blasting down. Nice, nice. Proper car. So there's my BM over there. Next to this rather beautiful little baby car. What is this? Look at that. That looks spectacular. It's as long as mine. Pretty big. Oh, look at them babies. Two little baby boys. People chilling. Yeah, it's not a lot of spectators left. As you can see, the venue is over there. Let's have a quick zoom in. We've got a Hammer coming now. Big proper Hammer armies here. Yeah, boy. Ferrari. Must be red. And a little Polo. And here we've got a Triumph. He's had a long day, he's falling asleep. You alright there, mate?
Oh, yeah.
Is that your Triumph?
Yeah.
Looking nice.
Yeah, I mean, she's not bad, she's a bit scruffy. But the third owner rebuilt it, crikey, 30 years ago now.
Wow.
I bought it as C, because I do these things, but this one just gets routine maintenance and an MOT every year, and that's it. It takes me all over the country.
Beautiful, isn't it?
25,000 miles in 5 years.
25,000?
In 5 years.
Wow, that's nothing.
Before that, 2,500 in over 30 years for the MOT.
Wow.
I bought it, so now it works for a living. But,
Beautiful.
yeah, I mean, it hasn't even got the V8 in it. Someone fitted the straight six out of a saloon, must be 40 years ago now. The V8s were unreliable. I thought I'd fix the V8, take it out. But I decided, no, I like this engine. Not quite as fast, but at 40 miles to the gallon, I'm not complaining.
It is quite light, isn't it? Is it under a ton or
No, they're about 1.5 tons.
ton and a half? It's quite heavy for a small car, isn't it? Because it's a convertible, that's why.
Well, I mean, it's all stiffened up, and all the sills and bits and pieces are stiffened up.
Yeah.
And it's got that rollover bar in it, which helps.
Beautiful. I love the white color. Looks nice, doesn't it?
Funnily enough, there's an awful lot of people like green ones. Not my favourite. It just turned up because of bargain.
That's it.
Sitting, enjoying an evening outside. Monday morning, I'll be back in my garage, putting my arms in oil and grease.
That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. That's what we enjoy.
Well, yeah, I mean, you get out, you enjoy yourself. Lucky I'm coming back tomorrow with a rainy.
Right, I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, what, are you wandering around taking photographs?
Yeah, just taking some photos and videos. So I'll come back tomorrow. 'Cause I was a bit late today, so
Oh, right.
I didn't catch anything pretty much.
The tip is, here, you want to get in about 8 o'clock.
About 8, yeah.
I rolled in at about 8:15, there was a queue there.
Hmm.
So I've got the disabled badge because I find it difficult walking, which is why they've allowed me to put it in
Oh.
these spaces close to the gate, so you don't have to walk too far.
Oh, that's pretty good, that, isn't it? Yeah. It's a good idea.
It's something that I think councils and everything run, and they test you to see how bad you are.
Hmm.
I used to play silly games when I was a kid. Rugby football. Enough said. That's what double damage.
God, we all do it, don't we?
Well, yeah, I mean, you get cruciate ligaments on football as well. Everybody who does some sort of physical sports.
Oh yeah, we all do. That's right. Oh,
It's an Elvis Silver Eagle, that is.
it's nice, that one.
Crash gearbox.
Is it?
He's not quite got used to. One
Oh.
plus two, doubly clutching. He's probably had it for years, and that's how he drives it. It's early 30s, that one.
Yeah. Wow.
13, 32, something like that.
Good condition.
Good car.
Anyway, nice speaking to you. And I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean,
If you come in here, if you're gonna be here, I'll see you tomorrow.
if I come tomorrow, certainly.
Yeah.
Chances are I will do, because I've got to go around the auto jumble again.
Yeah. Right, buddy. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye. See you. Alright, so our video is 18 minutes now. Had a nice little chat. Got a little Mustang there. And someone is selling this Ford. What's the price? £5,000. 89,000 miles. 70 mpg. Woo! Would you buy this for £5,000? Or would you go and buy a Jeep for £1,000? Not too sure on that one. Try this proper Mustang. Proper old-fashioned Mustang. Nice chrome wheels. Red interior. And they are absolutely chuffed.
It's £94 each.
You alright there?
Yeah, go.
Enjoying the Mustang, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
What is it? A straight 6 or V8? V6?
The wiper up.
V6, nice. Sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah. And you get past now.
Yeah, they've just had new ones on it. We just bought new ones for it.
I'm gonna end now. So see you later, guys. We'll catch up tomorrow. And later on is gonna be later on I'm going to the Barton City Airport in near Trafford Centre to give some respect to Sophie. Obviously passed away, and so that's gonna be a very important meet later on. So yeah, I'm gonna upload some videos from that as well. I mean, it's gonna be tomorrow for the Sophie, and today is gonna be the Honda meet at the Barton's Airport. Sorry about that. Yeah, so yeah, keep you updated. 20 minutes. Hey, bye bye.